Brain freeze. I eat frozen fruit smoothies every day. So I'm gonna make one for me and my brother before we go to the gym. So what we need is oat milk, frozen fruit. I usually use bananas. I have some fresh pineapple frozen, so I'm gonna use those. Cacao nibs, ground flaxseed, hulled hemp seeds. So I'm gonna get my good knife. Because we're going to lift weights, we're gonna have some extra vegan protein. We don't even know if it does anything, but it sure tastes good because it's chocolate. Add the oatmeal milk. Tastes like cookies. Everything's mixing up well, so we probably have some good ratios. Add a couple pieces of pineapple just for enhanced flavor. We're gonna add some cacao nibs for fun. It's a small little, like that many. Oh, that's for 2 people. Teaspoon of peanut butter. Make it extra, extra yummy. Here's some ground premium flaxseed. Gives the shake a little bit of crunch. It's supposed to be very good for you. So just like a half a teaspoon in each one. It's perfect. We're gonna blend it in, we're gonna stir it, but we don't wanna make the spoon dirty until we put the seeds in too. I don't blend it in because I like to feel little clumps of it in my mouth. This is hulled hemp seeds. Hemp, like marijuana, I guess. It's like a chocolate milkshake, but very good for you. And nothing was killed or injured or abused in the production of this. So experiment with different fruits, different milks. Just relax and enjoy your own vegan adventure. That is so good.